Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Isaac and you're watching Where Are We Going? On this video, I'm going to talk about my experience at the 2025 Hershey RV Show. As you know, I always try to get to the main RV shows like Hershey or Tampa or OC RV Show and look for the innovation, the new models. So this year I did the same. In Winnebago, I went immediately to their pavilion and their best-selling Class B camper van that they have, the Travato. I was hoping that they would come up with some new technology, new layouts, new innovations. And let me tell you, I was fairly disappointed. And in this video, I'm gonna show you why.
Hi, I'm with Winnebago. I'm going to show you what's new with the 2026 Winnebago Travato. Starting with the outside, we've updated our exteriors. We've got 4 exterior colors: bright white, brilliant silver, ceramic gray. We've added some more detail to the exterior right now and along the siding. And this particular one is in the deluxe exterior paint color, which gives you paint over the wheel wells and the bumpers for additional theme. On the back side of the coach here, one feature our customers have been asking for is an exterior city water fill hookup, which is what we title as the freshwater inlet. That will fill up your freshwater city tank as well as a direct line into the coach for city water hookup overall. New feature for this year. In addition to that, we've added a new ladder system on the Travato product. So instead of the ladder being on the back of the coach, we've added a Lippert system with a detachable ladder that will be stored in the inside of the coach, and that's a new option for us with our product. Truma system. We've added the new Truma Combi G Comfort Plus system. That draws its fuel supply from the actual fuel tank of the chassis itself versus LP. So it allows LP to be used down to basically primarily for cooking. And that would be it. When you move on into the inside of the coach, we're going to give you updated interiors, new cabinet colors, new fabric choices, which are called Canyon and Cashmere. This particular coach here is our Canyon interior color.
So it's only the color, so you have options?
So the other color choice is going to be Cashmere. It'll change the color of the cabinetry as well as the furniture when it comes to resurfacing the driver cab seats there, driver passenger cab seats. So you also change the herringbone vinyl flooring. Carry over between the two, so that'll stay the same. But your main decor colors, ultra leather fabric, and then your wood choices will all change, and they differ between them.
And I noticed also the fixture has changed.
Yeah, we've upgraded our faucets hardware. It's been about since 2019 since we've made any major radical changes to this particular product, and so yeah, we were due with it, but some nice changes, nice features, amenities, making it a lot more practical for customers, especially with a little thing like the city water hookup on the outside.
That's a great plus.
Versus in the back end.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Right.
And has there been any changes to the power systems? I mean, this is the K.
This is the K, yep.
Anything on the K? Or?
So we have, K is going to be standard. I guess the biggest change power systems would be for the heating, would be the Truma system. We do still offer the KL, which is our lithium system. So we went from a Volta system now over to basically a company that Winnebago Industries owns, which is Lithionics. So with that system, you're going to get a full lithium system. It's a generator replacement package. We're going to start off with a standard 8.4 kilowatt system with an option to double that down as well. So same simplicity in terms of operation. You're going to have one push button up towards the top location up here in this cabinet. And that button will turn and operate, power on the whole entire system for operation. With the control panel that will tell you how long you have until your battery goes, so your whole system goes dead, and in diagnostics and everything else with it. So the idea is just to have a simple operational system.
And here's the Park Foundation version of it. Still the new stripes on the body, painted bumpers, and guards and the eyebrows at the top. Looks pretty sleek. And as I previously, as we've told you, the interior has just a little facelift. The herringbone floors, new fixtures, faucets. This one has an induction, obviously. It's a little different than the K, but then you have two color options. As you can see, the doors to the cabinets are lighter beige, where the rest is actually a sand color or rock color. It's pretty nice having these two different colors. Decoratively, it looks very pleasing to the eye. But do you think that 2026 for the Travato should have been a little bit more just than a facelift? However, I do agree that one change is really cool, and that is the City water fill finally is outside, and then you don't have to access constantly the tank by opening the rear doors. So that's actually a plus. You see, things like that could have made a big difference. Well, maybe we can see more changes with 2027 Travatos.
You've seen it with your own very eyes. There's nothing creative, nothing innovative that Winnebago could come up with this year for the 2026 Travato models, except few cosmetics here and there, interior, exterior. And hoorah, yeah, they did move the city water connector to the outside of the van, which is, I think, a great thing, because most of the users do not like to open the back doors, fill in the tanks, and close the doors until a day or two later you're out of water again and you have to do it again and again. This was a request by many users for years from Winnebago to come up with this connector, which they provided. And besides that, they moved the ladder to the side. Okay, fine. I think the previous ladder system was so much more flexible and convenient because you could use any side of the van anywhere you really needed the ladder to climb up to, and now you can only have it in one fixed spot, and that's it. You don't have any options. For the KL, the lithium version of the Travato, they did upgrade to Lithionics. Great. And the new standard starts with 8.4 kilowatts with the option to double that. So that's good. And then you've seen it. The Truma system now moved up to Truma Combi G. Now they will tap it into the gas tank, which is nice. That way your LP usage in the van will be reduced down to only cooking. I like that. I would have thought maybe they would enhance the layout, change the layout a little bit. Oh, I forgot that little faucet that they changed in the kitchen. I guess they tried. They could have done better. They chose not to. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Would you have done anything better? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment below. All these interactions help my channel a lot. Really doesn't cost you anything but your maybe a second or two, but it definitely tremendously helped my channel to grow. So until the next time, see you on the road.